PVC busted, not up here, but back here, as you can see, it cracked because we didn't let it drip. We lost a couple of heads out there, but the good thing is everything's above ground, so it'll be an easy switch after supplies are available. It might be up to a week I have this thing running and flushing. 500 gallons. I don't know where the floaters are on this, but I know that it's gray water, so it's clean water. But what I'm doing right now is trenching it all and leading it down the slope at the end of the yard. So hopefully we can save the septic tank from any damage and just flooding out here as the ice melts. And it's melting quick, this good old Texas sun. So I'm gonna finish trenching, and first, ironically, I'm gonna go get a glass of water.